If you're finding your apps missing on your iPhone, follow these steps. There are two ways in which you can do it. So number one, the first way you do is just swipe right side of your phone and this Apple library will come up. In Apple library, all of your apps are actually stored and categorized into different sections. Once you need to add any of your app which you see here, you just need to tap on it. For example, like this, just tap on it and apps like this will come up. Okay, to add this to your home screen, just tap on it and you see that there are some options here which will show you that add to home screen. Now you need to tap on the add to home screen and the app will come up over here. So that's how you can actually bring your missing app from there. Another way to find this app here, for example, let's do it again and I'll show you. Just remove from the home screen. Okay, another way you can do it, just you need to swipe down from the mid of your screen just like this and you need to find your app. Just tap on it and it will ask us add to home screen button. Just tap on it and it will come back to your screen just like this. So that's how you can add your missing app or your apps which you are finding out. And I hope this video helped out. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Until next video, bye bye.